name is Ana Agung Ayudya Kusumadewi. Today we will learn about Bryophyte. What is Bryophyte? What is the characteristic of Bryophyte? How the life cycle of Bryophyte, and what kind of types of Bryophyte? First is the Bryophyte definition. Bryophytes are a group of plant species that reproduce via spores rather than flowers or seeds. Most bryophytes are found in damp environment and consist of three types of non-vascular land plants: the mosses, hornworts, and liverwort. Next is bryophyte characteristic. The following characteristics are exhibited by bryophyte is number 1. Bryophytes are non-vascular land plants. Although they do exhibit specialized structures for water transportation, they are devoid of vascular tissue. Number 2. Bryophytes grow primarily in damp environment, but can be found growing in diverse habitats ranging from desert, the Arctic, and high elevation. Since bryophytes do not depend on root structures for nutrient uptake like vascular plants, they are able to survive in environments that vascular plants cannot. For example, is on the surface of rocks. Number 3. All bryophytes have a dominant gametophyte cycle in their life cycle. During this stage, the plant is haploid and the sex organ that produce the gametes are developed. Bryophytes are unique compared to many other plant species in that they remain in this stage for long periods. Number 4 is the sporophytes. The diploid form of the plant of bryophytes are unbranched, producing a single spore-producing capsule is called sporangium. Moreover, the sporophytes are dependent on the gametophyte for nutrient and develops within the female sex organ is archegonia. Next is the bryophyte life cycle. The bryophyte life cycle consists of alternating generation between the haploid gametophyte and the diploid sporophyte. During the gametophyte stage, haploid gametes, male and female, are formed in the special sex organ, the antheridae for male and archegonia for female. The gametes consist of flagellate sperm, which swim via water or are transported by insect species. The two haploid gametes, sperm and egg, fuse, a diploid zygote is formed. As described above, the zygote of bryophytes grows inside the archegonia and will eventually become a diploid sporophyte. Mature sporophytes remain attached to the gametophyte and generate haploid spores via meiosis inside the sporangium. The spores are dispersed and under favorable environment conditions become new gametophytes. The last one is bryophyte example. There are three main types of bryophyte consist of the liverworts, mosses, and hornworts, each of which encompasses several hundred different species. Number 1 is liverworts. Liverworts are extremely small plants characterized by flattened stems and undifferentiated leaves, as well as single-cell rhizoid. Liverworts can be distinguished from other bryophyte species by the presence of membrane-bound oil bodies with their cells, compared to other species which do not contain enclosed lipid bodies. Number 2 is mosses. Mosses are green, clumpy plants often found in moist environment out of direct sunlight. Mosses are characterized by leaves that are only one cell wide attached to a stem that is used for water nutrient transportation. Mosses are able to absorb a substantial amount of water and have historically been used for insulation, water absorption, and a source of breath. Number 3, for the last, is hornworts. Hornworts are named after their characteristic long horn-like sporophyte that develops. In contrast, the gametophyte form is a flat, green-bodied plant. Most hornworts are found in damp environment, for example, tropical climates, garden soils, or tree. That's all the explain of the topic Bryophyte. Thank you for your attention. See you later.